Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news, or rather telenovela news. Now, this is some of the videos that I posted on my TikTok discussing briefly what I have seen or my feeling when it comes to Uthando Nesthembu. But in everything, we wish Ubaba Musa Mseleku a speedy recovery. Please do like, share, and subscribe.
Bazalwane Dumela. First and foremost, if you know ukuthi awuthanda indaba zabantu, ndlula, don't leave a comment, because your comment it will video yetsamaya, and when you don't want that, right? But ke mina indaba zabantu lezi bazilethe TV ngibukela zona, and I subscribe, I pay money to watch indaba zabantu on TV. Uthando Nesthembu. First and foremost, guys, I know ukuthi these are like yes, we see them on TV, but their life is real, right? I just want to say with a speedy recovery to Baba Mseleku. We wish him all the best. May he recover. And yeah, we are praying for him and the family. Now, to the wives. Can I talk about the wives from number one to number last? Right? Umseleku usesibhedlele, umacelu yabafonela, they all gather, they are all stressed, they are all not okay. Right. Remember, the reason why they are all stressed, they are not okay. These women are married to one man, but bona as a unit, they are not united. Right. Sharp. Umacele calls everyone, but does not call Umakwela. The reason why she did not call Umakwela is because laba banye basane resistance. Ne? After the whole hospital thing, Umakwela decides which it's very wise to call a meeting. Umayeni did not go to that meeting. Umayeni acted as if she does not know who Macele is on the call. That's another topic. On the discussion, buza ukuthi ugela udiscussani ukuthi laba bagulisa umseleko. Laba bagulisa umseleko. Njani? Because you are also part of the contribution. Your family is demanding 4 cows. Your family is demanding a cow for Mayeni, for Mangwabe, for Makumalo, for Makwela. That's stress enough for Umseleku. Why must it be other wives? Like, I was like, no. Then Umayeni this season, no, man. I don't know what's happening. Like, Umayeni was the most level-headed woman in that marriage. Do you get, like, her reasoning? But now, girl is like, I'm phoning like, tiring. I'm imagining, hello, Ubani, Ubani, you should have my number. All right, fine, you don't have my number. We talk on a regular basis. You hear my voice every time on TV. You don't recognize my voice. I was, no, that was too petty. That was too petty of Umayeni. Akayihlike lencola ayimsebenzeli. Because namself ayimsebenzeli. Angimaza nje and mina ugirl ngiyamthanda. All right, sharp. Ube uMangwabe. Umangwabe made a statement yokuthi manje njengoba lo sekagula, it's an inconvenience because ihlehlisa ihlelo lami lokuhamba. Guys, let me tell you, Maula, no one can hlehlisa yohlelo. Maula. Number 2, she had the audacity to go and sit in that meeting. Even though that meeting was a stupid meeting, a useless meeting, she sat throughout that meeting. Why sit throughout a meeting for a man you don't want? Why go to the hospital immediately when that man, like, I'm sure I was some funny. Like, you understand what he's the father of my kids. I might care for him, but I don't want to be with him anymore. So I'm not going to act like a wife in other instances, and other instances act like manje, I'm a divorcee. Because at this point she's confusing us. One confusion. Like, girl, we make I bila. Which one is your position? Sharp. Ubo Umakhumalo. Umakhumalo, I believe Uguti, the comments on social media got to her. Girl is not okay. She's trying to act in a different way. She's not being herself. And I just want to say, Uguti, in an instance where she sees this video, girl, go back to yourself. Be who you were. Not everybody is going to love you. I'll see you mal. The old Makhumalo, we need her back. This one, And then, guys, as cool men, why ngicale instead of Umayeni because bengithe. All right. Then Umacele decides to go to have a lunch, brunch, whatever, with Umakwela. to tell her the news about their husband being in hospital. At this point, girl is like, we need to go to the hospital in a hurry so that the others do not see you. Being wisdom does not come with age. If I was Umacele in those shoes, being the first wife, I was gonna call them, guys, whether you like it or not, Umseleku took another woman. This other woman is going to come esibhedlela azobona indoda yakhe. And under no circumstances will she nyonyoba just to impress us or just to make sure ukuthi we are comfortable. Umseleku umlethile, this is the life ezoyenzakala. I was like, no. Angazi, ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ngabafazi. Nibone kanjani?